So I've got the tastiest, creamiest spinach pasta, absolutely great for vegetarian babies. Double cream, Parmesan, spinach, and cream cheese are all you need to make this extremely simple dish. First, cook the pasta. If you're using adult pasta, as I am here, I would add maybe another 5 minutes cooking time on top of packet instructions, just to get to the tenderness that my little one requires. Then onto the sauce. In goes the cream. Now you don't have to use all of the cream if you think the dish is going to come out a bit too thick. You can water it down by putting half the cream, probably with just 1 teaspoonful or 2 teaspoons, doesn't matter. I'm going to use all. But if you want a little less thicker, a little less heavy, then you put more water in there to water it down a bit. And in goes the spinach. What I'm using here is actually frozen spinach, so they actually come in bricks and they're very handy. So you don't waste any that's left over. So every time when you cook for a little one, you just take one little frozen brick out of the packet, throw it straight in. The lid on and simmer on low heat for around 5 to 10 minutes, or until the frozen spinach is completely broken up and cooked. See how we're doing here? So it looks like all the spinach is broken up. So as soon as it's broken up, basically it's done. So in goes the cream cheese, and then finally the Parmesan. You can add the Parmesan, now or after you serve it with the pasta, like how we adults eat it. So wow, this cream cheese is very nice. It smells really, really nice. So now it's really thickened the whole dish up. Pasta should be done at around this time. Pasta in my hand in one pot, other pot with the spinach. In goes the pasta. A little stir, mix them all up. See a nice thick sauce, extremely nutrient-rich spinach dish. Okay. Done. So there you have it. Simple 30-minute, no added salt, sugar, creamy spinach pasta.